this video, I'll show you how to archive live TV recordings on YouTube TV Cloud DVR in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app or website and sign in. Step 2. Go to Library to view your recorded shows and live TV replays. Step 3. Select a recording and choose Add to Library to keep it stored. Step 4. Use sort or filter options to organize by date or show type. Step 5. To clear space, remove all the recordings while keeping your favorites archived. Step 6. Enable unlimited cloud storage by keeping your subscription active. Now, you can organize and archive your favorite recordings on YouTube TV DVR. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.